Mr. Hutchinson over the years, he's a poor representative of Northwest St. Elizabeth. And you know, we are Labourites and we won't vote for any other party than Labourites. So we need a change.
Over the years in a power, and I don't see what he is doing to Northwest St. Elizabeth. So he must go in, can expire, so he must go make a younger set come and take his seat.
He fool the people them as enough. And the people them make up their mind and they say, higher authority need to come on the ground and come know what go on. When you're checking a Cairnsbrook, a be a bad road, Newtown, Providence, Lovers Lane, be a bad road, a be a drop the people them a slide and drop, mash up them car, and be a been promising, all know we don't see nothing.
JC not doing nothing, they lock over all now. Nothing not looking all now. Look on the straight road. Look at what town. All just behave like that. Man, we go one side, man. I think time move now, man.
Every Prime Minister now come deal with Northwest. We not stop.
Yeah, we
have two more demonstrations after this.
Yeah, we're not gonna stop.
Everybody discuss.
We are coming now.